Hi guys, for today's tutorial I will be showing you how to do the bubble stitch. Here we go. This is a quick little sample. As you see, you have these raised bubbles, completely reversible on each side. For this project, you'll only need to know how to do 2 stitches. That is the single crochet and the treble crochet. Completely beginner friendly. I will say that if you're going to do this project, when you get to the treble stitches, if you are a tight crocheter, make sure that your treble stitches are done loosely or the bubbles will not show up. And also, if your yarn is soft, you may need to adjust your hook size accordingly. In order to achieve the bubble stitch, you will need an even number of stitches to start with, guys. For this project, I'm going to be using the H size hook and impeccable worsted weight yarn. For this in particular yarn, the hook size that's recommended is an I, but I'm going to use a H size hook, okay? Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and start with our slip knot. Bring y'all down a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and chain 24. As I said earlier, we need an even number of stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, so we have 24 stitches. We're gonna go ahead and do a single crochet in each of these stitches. So we'll start with the one after the hook. Excuse me. For you beginners, what you want to do for a single crochet is insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up. You should have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. Last time, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up 2, and pull through 2. So if you guys can see, this here is what I'm inserting my hook in. So I'm gonna get close for y'all one last time. So this is my second one. I'm gonna insert my hook, I'm gonna yarn over, I'm gonna pull up 2 stitches and pull through. So you're gonna do that until you reach the ends of your row. Guys, so now we are nearing the ends of our row. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this off. Okay, we have our last one. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Note that you will always begin and end in a single crochet. Again, you'll begin and end in a single crochet. So that first stitch, very first stitch, you have the stitch that your hook is on, and that very first one in the corner, you'll go ahead, put a single crochet in that stitch, guys. Okay, now we'll go ahead and start our treble stitch. For our treble stitch, you're going to yarn over twice. 1, 2. Insert your yarn into the next stitch. Pull up. Remember, try to do this loosely. So right now you have 4 loops on your hook. You go ahead, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3. yarn over, pull through 2. You have 2, yarn over, pull through your last 2 loosely, guys, and then you'll do a single crochet in the next stitch. If you are a tight knitter, then go ahead and do your single crochet as tight as you want to, but that treble is the one that you want to do loosely. So we've done our single crochet. We're going to do our treble stitch again. Remember, yarn over twice, 3, insert into the next stitch. We have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. 3, yarn over, pull through 2. 2, yarn over, pull through your last 2. Then you're going to do a single crochet in your next stitch. Mind you, when you're doing the single crochets and the trebles from now on, when you go into that stitch, you want to go into the V. So when you go in, when you insert your hook, you should be going through 2 pieces of yarn. Okay, so single crochet. We got us a little V. I don't know if y'all can see that. A little V here, but there's a V. So go ahead and do our single crochet. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, do our treble loosely. 2, insert. Oops. Insert. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through our last 2. And then we're going to do a single crochet. So as you can see, if you turn over, you can sort of kind of see the puffs beginning to show, right? So go ahead and continue that, and I will meet you guys at the end. All right, guys, we are nearing the end. We got some nice little bubbles already raised. I just finished a triple crochet, so we're gonna go ahead, knock out us a single. Put your lips on. Do our treble. And then remember, I say you want to always end with a single crochet. So we're going to end this with our single. A single crochet. There we are. Go ahead and chain you 1. And rotate your yarn. So you should be able to see some nice trebles on the rise. Okay, so again, we're going to do 1 single crochet in that first chain, that first little slot. And do your single, always begin and end with your single, treble, and the next. When you do this treble, guys, make sure that you're on top of, that you're going into the actual top of the stitch. Do you a single right in the middle. Treble. Loose trebles, guys, loose trebles. Loose, oops. All right, guys, we are nearing the end. So just in case you guys have not noticed, you do a treble on top of a treble and a single on top of a single. I sound like a salesperson, y'all. This is such a simple yet very pretty stitch, guys. There we go. And we end with a single every time. Chain 1, turn your work. There we go, y'all. I'm just gonna be out of here. So this is my first tutorial. So If you guys have any recommendations how I can make them, you know, a little bit better in the future, let me know. Okay, so we got our single crochet. We're gonna go ahead and put a single in a single. And a treble in a treble. If you haven't noticed, when you get to the trebles, the stitches are sort of kind of on the back side. Because you have your, let's see, you got your treble here, but the V is here. So it's sort of kind of on the back side. Let's go ahead and do your treble. Okay, go ahead to your single. The tighter your singles, the more pronounced your treble will be, because it's shrinking it up. So just be mindful of that as you're going along with your project. And if at any time you get to a point and you look and your trebles are not popping, go ahead and take it out and do your treble looser. Like, don't just continue on. Save yourself some time, y'all. I was there. So again, we're gonna finish this row. We're gonna turn, and I'm gonna leave you guys be. So I'll see you at the end of this row. All right, guys, so as we are nearing the end of this row, I just want to say thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I would like to start incorporating beginner basic stitches, you know, outside of the single crochet, double crochet, and all of that, so y'all can make y'all some fancy little projects. This is my first tutorial, so be nice. No, but if you guys have any requests, you know, let me know. Let me get some feedback in the comments below. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy the stitch. Let me know what you think of it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.